Here's I'll show you how to record your Samsung Galaxy A16 screen. By default, in this A16 Galaxy phone, here is no option to record your screen. So to record screen, we have to install a third-party screen recorder app. So all you have to need, go to your Play Store. In Play Store, we have to search for screen recorder. Search for it, and here you'll find a bunch of different apps you can use to record your Galaxy A16 screen. So I'm going to use this app, screen recorder, X recorder, and this app comes from InShot Insurance Limited. So all you have to need, install this app in your Galaxy A16 phone. And as you can see, this app size is only 15.12 megabyte. So this is a very lightweight app. Once the app successfully installed on your Galaxy A16, just go ahead and launch this app on your phone. And just tap on cross. And here, I'm tapping on not this time. And here, I'm selecting allow all. I don't want to get any notification from this app, and that's it. Now to record your screen, just tap on this record option, and here allow, enable all permissions, and here tap on start now. And as you can see, my screen is recording now. And here you can see a little circle. If you tap on this circle, from here you'll be able to pause the screen recording, and you will be able to resume the screen recording. You can draw something here just like so. And to stop recording, tap on this circle, tap on stop. And now we have to watch an ad because we're using free version of this app. So watch the ad here, and now tap on this go back to your home screen and go to your gallery. In your gallery here, you will find your screen recorder video, as you can see. And if you tap on this info button here, you can see the video resolution, video size. So that's how you can actually record our Samsung Galaxy A16 phone screen. Thanks for watching.